Hey everybody, I'm Lorna and I decided to try FabFitFun. This is the summer 2019 box and I'm still kind of figuring out how FabFitFun works. They were up and down my Facebook feed for a really long time and they had some special where they had, so much percentage off for your first box, so I decided to try it. The way it works is they give you these options. So you order your box and then they let you pick your favorite items out of a random selection. You have the option to also buy add-on items for a discounted price. The add-on item that I got, maybe this was a free item, I don't know. I'm still figuring it out. FabFitFun is like a whole lifestyle website with fitness blogs and recipes and the best eyelash serum under $70, that kind of stuff. And it's a little confusing, but I'm gonna figure it out by the time I get my next box. So I got this cute little message board, and that comes with little letters and stuff, and a little bag for your letters. Let's go ahead and see what I got. This is all very cute. I like all the colors. Okay, there's a magazine, a FabFitFun magazine, with lots of products and stuff. They have lots of cool stuff online. Oh, there's the little board that I got, the little felt board. Discount for HelloFresh. Okay, let's see what I got, because I don't really remember. First item out of the box. Spray All Day Rose Spray, Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. This does not sound like something that I would normally pick out. This is a huge bottle of rose spray. I will have to start using this kind of thing more often then. My next item is an exfoliating foot mask by Wish, which I will absolutely use because I totally need that because I go barefoot all the time and I have nasty feet. My next item, okay, these are all full-size products, by the way, which is incredible and also a little intimidating sometimes. Kula makeup setting spray, another thing that does not sound like I would order, but I guess I'll start using it now. Oh, okay. Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. I love Living Proof. I love their shampoo, their volumizing everything. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I will totally use this. This is great. Love that. I have some little hair baubles. Those little springy hair baubles that look like old key holders from the early 90s. Oh, this is totally something I ordered. Silicone wine glasses, a set of 2. Ah, here they are. Very cute. It looks like I have 2 more things in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a little kimono with a little tie in the front. This is cute. I guess I picked this out. This is nice. And the last item I have here is, a nice big tote bag to carry all my stuff that I got. Oh, this is nice. This is cute. This is a good little beach bag. It's got a little pocket in here. It's nice and big. It's got a little snap to close shut. Yeah, this is cute. I like this because it's not just clothes, or it's not, obviously, I got this kimono, but it's stuff, it's things I'm gonna use. Once you order your box, there's a period of time where you can go in and you can customize it. So like right now for my next box, I can't go in and customize it just yet. But in the meantime, I can shop all the add-ons, and they've got hundreds of products at discounted prices that you can just add on to your box, and you just get billed for it automatically. And they come, they don't necessarily come in your box, but they will come separately afterwards. And I think that's pretty neat. But this was nice, and I'm pretty pleased with this. The year-long subscription is $180, which gives you a $20 discount as opposed to buying each individual box on its own, which this box I did buy on its own, and it was $50. Pretty good $50 well spent. This was my first FabFitFun box, summer 2019. I'm very pleased with it, and you guys know how to subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.